Hello, it's Heather with RRatedReviews. This is not a review. This is a response to a comment. I think it was from my buddy who had to change his name the other day and then resubscribe. And I thought it was him. Somebody made a comment about how I was jacked. And I gotta tell you, I'm a little surprised sometimes if I have to edit something and merge videos and I have to go back and look at to see how stupid they are. I'm a little surprised myself at what my arms sometimes look like. And he was saying that it can't possibly be my work. I have to be going to the gym. And so I'm going to give you a quick video response to say I have not been to the gym in about 8 years. But this could be it. I think I've been out this for about 2 solid hours now. The beauty is, once I have the wheelbarrow full, which is about a third of a yard, almost a little less than a third of a yard, with topsoil and rocks, about 700 pounds. I need to wheel it across the lawn, down the curb, and up the ramp to the truck, which is on an incline today. This street is on an incline. So I have to back the wheelbarrow up and get a running, fast walking start to make it up the ramp and then far enough that the weight goes to the front of the trailer and then heave it over and flip it, which is not normally that hard to do, except I didn't empty the trailer last night. I was tired. So yesterday's rocks are still in there from this garden. This is the one I did yesterday. In all honesty, I don't know if I'm going to make it up the ramp with this particular wheelbarrow because I may have put too much in it. I think I was just trying to do it in one load instead of two. And if I can't get up the ramp, you are going to watch me fight tooth and nail not to have to come back down the ramp and start over, because when I have to go up, I swear I use everything I have to get that wheelbarrow up the ramp and flipped over, and I will fight so hard and so long with what last little bit of energy I have to not go back down. So if I have to go back down, I have to find a reserve that sometimes I don't know that I have. It's officially October. No one's getting their lawns mowed anymore. That shit's done. But here I am, still the jackass out here, planting gardens, brand new gardens. Let's pull the weeds and plant brand new gardens. I'm booked through Thanksgiving, and half of May and June and part of July are already booked next year. Parts of April. It's real, but I am not complaining. Let's do this. And this is one of those nosy streets where like busy cars come down and neighbors are constantly coming and going. And they're always watching everything. It's like, please, when someone's watching me, there's a really good chance I'm going to fuck getting up that ramp. Just go in your house, mind your business, watch me from behind the curtains like normal people. Wish me luck. Yeah, baby. I almost lost it. Almost lost it. Almost. Now, if I work a 10 or 12 hour day like I normally do, it's probably about 8 of that. 8 hours of that out of 10 or 12. So now, this is my gym. And I fucking love it. Questions or comments, you leave them. If you want to hit like or subscribe, you make my heart smile. Have a great day.